The possibility of a recession is all over the news. And whether that happens or not, an emergency fund, a contingency fund, an FU fund, or whatever you want to call it, is one of your best options to weather that storm or any other unexpected event. Hi, I'm Patricia Stallworth. I'm a certified financial planner and a financial educator. To get more tips and news, sign up for my newsletter and become PS Insider. A link is in the description below. So, what exactly is a contingency fund? Well, it's a stash of money that you accumulate to use in case of an event such as a job loss, an illness, or an unexpected expense. It helps prevent you from having to go into debt, or worse yet, raid your retirement accounts. A general rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months of expenses, but that number can jump dramatically if you think you might lose your job or that a recession is coming. To get started, save as much money as you can each month into a high yield savings account, money market account, or other vehicle that will earn you some interest, maintain its value, and is easy to access the funds if you need them. Oh, and having an FU fund is a great option if you need to leave a job, a relationship, or any other situation that might be holding you back. I'm Patricia Stallworth, and remember, if you don't mind your money, someone else will, and then they will control your future.